Well, student, very good morning to all of you. And student, today I am going to start your poem, Geography lesson. Student, Geography lesson, that means I am not going to explain about the geography. Means you can say that this is the English class, not a geography class, that I am going to express or teach about the geography of the earth. No, I am not going, because this is English class and I am just going to explain the things by Zulfikar Ghosh that what he want to express according to his own views in the literary form. That means in literary form what he want to convey. So this is obvious that it will be some different from the real geography, because it is literature and literature expresses views or thought according to its own way, because literature has its own way and the civics, history, geography has its own way. क्योंकि इन सब चीजों को पढ़ाए जाने का तरीका अलग अलग होता है. This is not a factualism. This is just a realism that want to express that what is the means of this chapter geography lesson. So student, let me discuss that what the poet want to express in these lines. So at first, we will discuss about the author. Author Zulfikar Ghosh was born on March 23, 1935. 1935, a Pakistani American poet and essayist. That means he was a Pakistani as well as American poet and essayist. That means he used to write essay also. Along with the poem, he also used to write essay. That is called, he is an essayist. His works are primarily magical realism. That means what he used to write, that is magical. He cast a magic spell in his writing. In his writing, he cast a magic spell. ये अपने spell, that means ये अपने writing में ना magic spell डालते थे, जिससे कि जो readers होते थे, become enchanted. वो क्या हो जाते थे? Enchanted हो जाते थे. तो read the poem, उन poem को पढ़कर show what he had written. We will discuss. उन्होंने क्या लिखा था? We will discuss. So student, here I am going to explain stanza 1. Stanza 1. At first, I am going to recite the poem. Recite the poem that when the jet sprang into the sky, it was clear why the city had developed the way it had. Seeing it scaled 6 inches to the mile, there seemed an inevitability about what on ground had looked haphazard and unplanned and without strife when the jet sprang into the sky. So student, we will explain what is the meaning of these things. Well, I am going to explain from the first line. That means, student, if you have got the chance to travel by plane, then one thing you have to observe, what the earth look like from that height. अगर आपको कभी प्लेन से फ्लाइट करने का या ट्रेवल करने का चांस मिला हो, तो आप जब ऊपर जाते हो, ऊपर से जब अर्थ को नीचे देखते हो, तो what kinds of earth look like? This look like well balanced and a singular in a circle. एक singular circle में दिखता है. But what about the real condition of that world? we are fragmented by the domestic walls, and such walls are according to caste, according to wealth, according to community, according to etc., etc., etc. That means our earth is divided into many fragmented walls, and that is on the basis of our creed, culture and civilizations. Communities, caste, this is known as the domestic walls. This is known as the domestic walls, and these walls is injurious for our society, are dangerous for our civilizations also, because our civilization is not a thing that tells us that we have to make a distinguish or discrimination according to the caste, culture and creed. This is not our trait, not our culture, not our civilization. So, according to these things, poet wants to express make a things here poet. Poet wants to express that what is the means of these lines. So when the jet sprang into the sky, sprang here means to take off, to took off. That means when the plane took off from the land, जब कोई प्लेन जमीन से ऊपर उड़ती है, and it was clear why the city had developed the way it had, then it will obvious that why the earth, why the city, why the town has developed by its way. तब हमें ऊपर पता चलता है कि why these things had developed like this, why we made these things like this, why your school is here and the town hall is there and railway platform is there. Why this is situated from a distance from each other? Because this is the arrangement of earth. This is the arrangement of earth, and we have arranged these things. But what about the sea above 6,000 feet above? This will appear just like a dots. This will appear just like a dot. Your town, your states just look like a dots from the height of more than 6,000 feet. Then we will find that the earth is a shape in a circle, and this is a singular. यह अकेला है. It is not divided into the fragments. See, it is scaled 6 inches to the miles, and we will measure them on that height in a 6 inches of a mile. That means ऊपर से जब हम अर्थ को देखेंगे ना, तो वो बहुत इतना छोटा सा दिखता है, जैसे लगता है we can measure by the inches. We can measure by the inches. There seem an inevitability. There it look like that it will be certain. It will be certain, or it is certain. It feels that the earth and the arrangement of the earth is certain. From where? From the height of above the 6,000 feet. About and down. About what and down had looked Hafajar, and from there Hafajar here means unplanned. From there we can feel that our earth is formed without any previous plan. But the Creator had developed the earth and situated the human life with a proper plan. Because there should be a river, there should be a mountain, there is. There should be a vast land of earth, there is. But the people try to destroy these arrangement of the Creator. हम जो पोर्शन है ना, इस गॉड की क्रिएशन को, गॉड की जो बनाई हुई प्लानिंग है, इसको हम क्या करते हैं, इसको अनप्लान करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. क्योंकि जहां पर बहुत बड़े बड़े फॉरेस्ट थे, where we try to use the set up the cities and we try to make the mountains in a surface land so that we can mine our malls, our cities, our towns, etc. This is against our nature, and that's why the nature plays on time to time with us. And that's why the Lord of destructions, Lord of calamities used to come in our life. That's why unplanned and without style. Unplanned and without style. When the jet sprang into the sky. When the jet sprang into the sky, we clear that the arrangement of the earth is unplanned, without any style. But God made these things with a proper style, with a proper plan. Here, one thing should be notable, that this line is repeated here. So, when a line is repeated in a poem more than one time, this thing known as refrain. This thing is known as refrain. So, I have taught you about the poet Zulfikar Ghosh, and I have explained these things according to the view of the literature, not view of the geography, according to the literature. And I hope so that you will understand these things according to the literature. And after this, I will explain another two stanza of this chapter geography lesson. So student, I hope so that you have understand that what is the motto, what is the means of the poem. Not what is the means of this, what is the means of the poem. Because we have studied these things about according to poem. So I hope so that it has been clear now, and if you have any doubt, then you can give me a message and I will definitely try to explain once more. Okay, thank you for watching.